What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And we are in Cruisin Ocean City 2025 in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. Today is day 2. We filmed the entire day at the Twisted Rodz car show at the Pit and Pub on 127th Street. It was a beautiful day. It's a little overcast right now, as you can see behind me, but it was a gorgeous day, 65 all day long. Unbelievable. Tons of beautiful cars there. I gave my award out to a beautiful 1954 Volkswagen Beetle. I'm going to try to get a picture. If I get one, I'll put it up right over here. But it was a great day. And you guys know every video I do down here, we do some swag. We give it away. Today we'll be giving away Bangin Gears clock. All right, to be eligible to win the Bangin Gears clock, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win the clock. Don't forget to watch the video I dropped yesterday where we gave away a baseball cap or a knit cap, your choice, whichever one you want. Once you're subscribed on YouTube, you can make comments on every video all week, and that puts you in a running to win each one of those items. You can win one, you can win all 4. Okay? Also, you should have got a postcard in your goodie bag if you're registered for the show. You can scan the QR code. It kicks you right over to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram pages to make it easier for you. Okay? If you're down here and you're on Facebook, share your pictures, share your videos. When you go back home, share your car shows you're going to, share anything you want, as long as it's automotive related. All right? Tomorrow I'm going to be filming at the inlet, but as of right now, stay tuned, and we'll catch you right here tomorrow on the Bangin Gears Garage.
Painter coast to coast, Earl Shot.
Turbines to speed.
Talk now with your Chevrolet dealer. Glass of Tang.
Mercury, best looking buys, now in each size.
It's Cruisin Ocean City 2025, man, from groovy Ocean City, Maryland. This cool video is brought to you by the dudes over at Bangin Gears Garage. Keep watching for more all this week. Peace out, man.
Hey, from the moment of my open eye, been looking for a guided light to lead me on my way. Yeah, lost, struggling to make the top. A slipping grip can't hold me up. It's the game of life we play. When everything comes crashing down behind your door, when I hear the sound, you say the word and I'll stay the night. You wouldn't text if you moved on. You wouldn't keep me in your phone unless you know that you were wrong. Now, from this moment rolling up, a speeding train can't hold it up. You and I, we lost our way. You cheated, lied, and ran away, and I got stuck with a knife in me. And this pain won't go away, but still, when everything comes crashing down behind your door, when I hear the sound, you say the word and I'll stay the night. You wouldn't text if you moved on. You wouldn't keep me in your phone unless you know that you were wrong. But I hold on, but I hold on, but I hold on for dearest life until you're gone. I'm out of the frame, don't hold your breath. I'm used to the pain, but baby, don't forget, it's all fun and game until the final step. That's when you overstep. You know that I'm weak, you exploit that, yeah. I'm down on my knees when you place your bet.